how to send snaps without media upload in Snapchat. Here's a tutorial on how you can send snaps without media upload in Snapchat. Open the Snap app on your mobile device, tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen to access your conversations. Find the friend you want to send a snap to and tap on their name to open the chat window. Instead of taking a photo, simply type your message in the text chat box at the bottom of the screen. You can enhance your message by adding emojis, stickers, or bitmojis. Tap the sticker icon to access these options. To stylize your text, tap the T icon on the left side of the screen. You can change the font, style, color, and size. If you want to add a background color, tap the pencil icon at the bottom left and select a color. Once you're satisfied with your message, tap the blue send button or an arrow icon at the bottom right of the screen. Your text-only snap will be sent to your friend without any media upload. Remember, these text-only snaps will disappear after being viewed, just like regular snaps with photos or videos. This method allows you to communicate quickly without the need to capture or upload media content. Subscribe.